Hola ducklings and welcome to Tashi's Treats. I'm Tubed and Tashi and right now we're making some delicious Mexican rice. So first what we're going to do is we are going to put a little bit of olive oil in our pan, about a tablespoon, and then we're going to put 2 cups of rice inside that, and we're going to go ahead and cook that up. Now you're going to cook it from when it goes this color to, so once we have that, what we're going to do is I've got 3 cups of water. To that I'm going to add, these are, we call them Rotel, which is a brand name, but they're basically diced tomatoes with green chilies. I'm going to add that to my water, and then I'm going to add probably about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of tomato paste. And I'm also going to add probably a good, I don't know, maybe about a tablespoon of my Penzeys Arizona Dreaming. Oh, this stuff is it's wonderful. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to stir this all around. You'll get ready to hear the sizzle here in a second, because once this hits this hot pan, it's going to start sizzling. Once it starts sizzling, I'm going to put the pan back on the stove top, and I'm going to bring it all the way up to a boil again. Then I'm going to put the lid on, set it down to low, and leave it for about 20 to 24 minutes. And then I'll show you what we have. So let's get pouring. Woo! All right, guys, let me get this on the stove and I'll get back to ya. And so here we have our Mexican rice. You can see how delicious it is. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh my goodness. It smells so good. I hope you guys enjoy doing this recipe. There's a lot more to come. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell. Have a beautiful day and come back safely to me.